What are the advantages of replacing metal parts with polyurethane ones? In a variety of environments, polyurethane can be used to replace metal due to several characteristics: lower operational noise and longer lifetime. The elastomeric properties of polyurethane parts allow them to dampen vibration and undergo stresses without deforming, while metals will take a certain stress, determined by their yield point, before a permanent change takes place. This means that polyurethane components can lower operational noise and offer a longer lifetime, even in a dynamic application of repeated cycles. Superior environmental resistance. Polyurethane offers superior environmental or acid resistance, and it can resist abrasion or scratches to a far greater degree than most common metals. Highly complex products. Once a suitable tool is produced, the liquid state processing of polyurethane allows for the casting of highly complex products without the need for expensive machining, welding, or other finishing techniques. To find out more, please get in touch.